So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you're opening your settings application and it does not open settings. It just flickers settings menu then closes again. So how you can fix this? Let's get started. First, press Windows plus R to open this run dialog box, and in this type gpedit.msc. Then it will open local group policy editor. You just have to click on user configuration and open this administrative templates folder. Then open control panel folder, and then you have to double click on private access to control panel and PC settings. When you double click on it, it will open this. You just have to click on disable and then apply OK and then restart your PC. After this, your problem should be solved and settings application should be open. So if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.